Take a look at this. This is a pressure switch. This is a digital pressure switch at that. It had a rough day. Need to get some real fine screws. Oh, that thing goes way down in there. Okay. Let's see if we've got it. Watching Scrapping Junk one day, and he had this real interesting, real fine set of tools with all these different bits and whatnot. The more I play with some of this other stuff that I don't normally get into, the more I realize, yeah, I probably need something like that. So you get bored, go check out Scrapping Junk's channel. I like watching some of his stuff. But on this piece though, Scrapping Junk, CU scrapping, maybe a Scrapping Scorpion, some help. I might get into the, I guess what you call the board market. I don't come across a whole lot of this, but I don't want to give it away either. So it might be silver pins. I don't think they're gold. Buttons and resets. What is that, board sort, y'all? Oh, I'm tearing the whole thing up. Hey, cool. Sometimes you gotta mess something up to figure out how it works right. There's a little bit of copper wire right there, but it's real low grade. Hey, what is that? It's a brass nut. I'm sure this is going to be very, very low grade and some. And there's that nut, which, hey, is loose. So that's good. Let's just hope it's brass, because that would be nice. Oh, it's not a nut, it's a bolt. It's a brass, well, yeah, it's a bit bolt. It's got a bolt head and not a screw head. Some of y'all just may get this in the mail, I don't know. Y'all know what y'all are doing better than I do. We'll see. I don't think this would be worth a whole lot. But I know they probably don't want to pay for that. Now this might be brass. I'll look at that in a minute. There's a little copper coil. I won't do. Hey, look at there. There's another piece of something. Whew. I'll find it in a second. I think I still hit my other foot. I may have to get one of those little magnetic trays to use that, and that's just shred, ain't nothing to that. What do we want to tear up next?